Guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes, and today we have a Honda CB1000R. So lovely bike is this one, being really well looked after. It's a bike that we've sold previous, and it's had since then a quickshifter fitted to it by Honda. It's also got the lovely seat cowl on there as well, with the brushed aluminium, and also the brushed aluminium little screen as well, so very close to the spec of a plus model CB1000. This one here is a 2020 bike, done a total of 3,711 miles from new. If you've got a keen eye, you'll see the mileage there is a little bit different, and that's because it's had a clock change, all done under warranty through Honda, so that's all above board and correct. Of course, you've got different riding modes, different traction modes, different engine brake controls. There's all sorts of stuff you can do on these, and with that quick shifter and auto blipper, it makes it even better. So if you do fancy it, be quick, pop down to the showroom or give us a call. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.